Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set Brave browser to clear cookies and site data every time the browser is closed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those lines to reveal a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into Brave's main configuration area where you can customize how the browser behaves. Once you're in the settings area, take a look at the left panel of the screen. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you control all the important privacy features in Brave, including how your browsing data is handled and stored. It's essential for managing what information the browser keeps and what it discards. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to proceed. This feature gives you control over what types of data Brave removes and when it removes them. It's a powerful tool for maintaining your privacy and keeping your browser running smoothly. After clicking that option, you'll see a new interface with different tabs at the top. Look for and click on Delete Data on Exit in the top menu. This specific setting is what allows you to automatically clear certain types of data every time you close Brave, so you don't have to manually delete anything each time you finish browsing. Once you're on that tab, you'll see several checkboxes for different types of data. Find the box beside cookies and other site data and check it. Enabling this ensures that all cookies and site information are wiped clean whenever you close your browser, which helps protect your privacy and prevents websites from tracking you across sessions. At this point, you also have the option to enable additional automatic deletion if you want even more thorough cleanup. You can check the boxes beside browsing history and cached images and files. These options will clear your browsing history and temporary files each time you close Brave, giving you a completely fresh start every time you open the browser again. After you've selected all the options you want, click the Save button to apply your changes. This confirms your settings and ensures that Brave will now automatically delete the selected data types every time you close the browser. Your privacy settings are now configured exactly how you want them. And that's it. You've successfully set up Brave to automatically clear cookies and site data on exit. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.